to solder a half round wire for a ring. So I've placed the solder into a little area that I've cut out into the ceramic